The human body is a complicated system that may obviously heal itself. Scrapes and cuts at the skin can heal, so why not illness? It's the poor thought patterns and ingrained false belief structures and programming that makes someone think and feel that the frame can't heal itself without over. Our thoughts and notion systems are way more powerful than we may think or feel they may be. High vibration overrides low vibrations. The old and new, while exist together, no longer aspect by aspect, however as one. The new age is now encompassing the long time of the past and bringing the entire world to the better vibration of Ascension. Because it does, so it's for engulfing the third dimensional world and entombing it. As the tree trunk grows new, outer rings because it gets older, so it is with the active layers of Mother Earth. Just because the unconditional love of the supply of creation encompasses the all, the better dimensions of ascended cognizance are now main humanity into the subsequent segment of evolution. These are powerful divine union energies which are helping the new great device to keep the comeback completely online and take over now. A result prepared taking place, all methods now. Many have felt the shift with the beginning of this month, with the power to change realities from the inside out, and it's happening. By being the change we wish to learn, we'll make this show up through each phrase, concept, notion, and motion we take. Our awareness is the whole lot. It's where our true power lies. We are the tipping point, and the ones who are making it appear through being the alternate in focus. We create a new way of being and living by choosing more love, more compassion, and understanding for all of life anywhere. A person's emotions can greatly affect their vibrational frequency, depending on the level at which he or she both responds or reacts to those emotions. If a person turns into attached to a terrible emotion, their frequency will decrease. All illnesses and disease are active imbalances inside the human frame, and symptoms are our frame's way of factually showing us that there is an imbalance in the frame. While we sweep these excessive emotions and feelings underneath the rug pretending as if they by no means happened. Get away from them through any form of escapism or use any form of procrastination in dealing with them. The one's energetics do not depart the frame till the body may be required to do it for them. Finally, there could be a build-up of these degrees energetics within the vessel to this point, wherein the body will want to release the lower density, and this could arise through disease. It's time for the Earth to return to its roots, so to speak, and to regain its sovereignty. All planets, including Earth, are timeless in nature. Their natural state is one in every of symbiosis of life and cyclic go back, all is so as, and works collectively to keep its natural rhythm. While all is a stability, the status quo is maintained, all existence is sustained. The crumbling of humanity in its treaty kingdom cannot be saved. not would any attempt be made to achieve this. Everyone who has not commenced to rouse or is continuing to resist the call of ascension will quickly attain a point of no back, and the choice will not be theirs. There has already been a mass exodus of souls returning to their spiritual form, with many more to make the transition inside the year ahead, because the vibrational energies of ascension are increasing exponentially. So, in which thoughts go, energy flows. The more power a person puts into an idea, the more that thoughts from begins to show up into physical form. Whether that be an actual bodily item, situations, or maybe pulling positive people into our truth. This can actually encompass the items, situations, or human beings that someone truly doesn't want to happen to avoid from occurring. That may encompass illness and disease. The universe will begin pulling all the cooperative additives important with the intention to create that manifestation from which your thoughts have been flowing to. Most of our time is spent manifesting from an unconscious state of being, dwelling inside the past, which doesn't exist, or dwelling in the future that's myth. While a person sits unsure and fear, that is fear-based frequencies, about a situation, they are literally manifesting the situation they don't want to occur through their terrible thought patterns. Our principal nervous device has been receiving a lot recuperation, and a lot of can experience a profound transformation at a deep degree. We are less reactive, judgments dissolve as we take a step again, and in reality listen to others. The fight and flight response dissipates. We feel more and more balanced, more peaceful, content, and blessed as we hold and navigate those waves of effective energies, raising the collective recognition as one. We deepen into the zero-factor discipline of neutrality, divine love, now in no time.